Hello, Jake Twomey here from Breathe Blue Door. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my OXA breathing wearable. This is a first of its kind breathing wearable technology. OXA comes with a sensor that is going to attach to my chest and give me instant biofeedback via an app to my phone while I breathe. I'll get live signals for my breathing and heart rate. The OXA science team developed this wearable as a personal trainer for nerve muscles to help us fine-tune our breathing practice for maximum efficiency in real time. The most common questions I get from my students of breathwork and meditation is, am I doing it correctly? This wearable is the solution for that problem. This sensor is showing me my vitals right now in real time. So it's showing that my heart rate is 78 BPMs, my heart rate variability is 58, my breathing rate is 25.8 breaths per minute right now, which is absolutely terrible. It's because I'm excited, I'm filming. It's going down to 19. Wow, this is wild. Let's see if I can calm myself down right now in real time. Definitely will have more to share with you soon.